What's up, you guys? It's Clan here, and yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys the best video in my opinion, and yeah, this is gonna be the best account that I have so far. And as you can see from the title, guys, I'm going to be buying the Galaxy Q. As you can see there, I have $1,037, and yeah, with the rest of the money, I'm probably just gonna be opening a couple of boxes or something like that. Hopefully you guys enjoy that as well. So let's just go straight down to, it just looks so good, like, yeah, so I'm just gonna go right ahead. And guys, these are the cues I own. I only got good cues, so guys, this is, I'm not sure what to really say, guys. In fact, I may be buying the Lightning Q instead, because I have heard that is a lot better. Guys, I'm not sure what to do, because I've been told that the Lightning Q is better, and I don't have the Lightning Q. I have for the Galaxy Q on another account. Guys, I'm not sure what to do. The stats are very similar, but guys, I'm just gonna go for it. Galaxy Q. Yes, guys, we got the Galaxy Q now, and yeah, you may be wondering, so what am I gonna do with the other dollars? Well, guys, this is what you do with dollars when you're high level and you have spare dollars. So guys, I'm gonna be speeding up the rest of the video, and hopefully you enjoyed this type of video. And the giveaway yesterday received so much love and support, so thank you guys for that again. And I'm just gonna buy the mini games first, and then I'm gonna open them, and just quicker like that. So guys, that's more mini games, guys. I'm probably just gonna speed up the video until I get a Q or something like that. Until then, guys, I'll see you in my next video.